So not only is Eli Tomac back on the bike, he's already back riding Supercross, saying in the video he posted today, quote, "It's the beginning of November here. I just got back on the Supercross track. I've probably been on the bike 4 days now, and before that I spent probably 3.5 weeks on the motocross track just building my base up. Now it's the real deal. Back to Supercross track. I'm feeling great. I feel like I'm ahead of where I anticipated. I don't feel like I'm behind at all anymore, so I'll be ready to come back Anaheim 1 2024. And this is great. Obviously, you never wanted to see him be behind schedule or falling behind and feeling bad. And obviously, this comes right along the news with that guy right there, Hayden Deegan, coming to train with him. So I don't know. This could be great. This is a little bit of a, rabbit in the hair kind of thing. Let's see how I compare against one of the up and coming fast 250 guys, get a little bit of speed under his belt and just some time on the track, because obviously it's a very different sport than just riding motocross for fitness. Hopefully, I hope he comes, or personally, let's put it that way, I hope he comes back and is absolutely on rails. Because last year's title, whether you're a fan of Chase Sexton or not, or whatever it is, you knew that title got thrown away. The unfortunate injury that ended his season, and the little asterisk that gets put on the Chase's championship for that. But I do. I hope Eli Tomac comes back, and I hope he is every bit the contender he was before he got injured, and we see him for another couple years because, being one of the best people in the sport, being one of the fastest guys, most endurance, like highest endurance riders we have, he's always going to be, I hope, at least a contender. And we'll see what happens. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, how well do you think he's going to do? Coming into A1, is he a podium contender? Is he a win contender? Is he slower than we all thought? Whatever it is. Tell me who you think wins. Does he do whatever? In the comments below, just tell me whatever you want to do. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.